Welcome! The mystery of creation is all around us. Just look at what the guiding hand of God can do in nature. It can start with something as small as a tiny seed. That small little seed, through the miracle of creation and life, can grow into, let's take a look. A very large tomato plant, or any number of vegetables that feed us and keep us healthy. Just look at some of the vegetable plants that little seeds can grow into. The beauty of nature is also seen in flowers, plants, and animals. God's creation is beautiful and everywhere. Sometime this week, take a walk with an adult and enjoy the glory of God's creation.